Something very sinister is happening in Malawi. A man in his late 30s called Allan Witika has been murdered this morning. According to reports, he left home 7 o'clock in the morning, going to work as usual, but he never arrived at work. Other witnesses say that they saw his car being driven by someone, an unknown person, and it was parked in Area 15 where it was later found. And this person was wearing a red top and white gloves, according to witnesses and according to Zodiac Online. He left the car, locked it, parked where he parked it in Area 15, and left. And when people later went to investigate why the car was there for so long, they found that Mr. Allan Whitaker's body was at the back and he was covered in his own blood. This is a very strange occurrence. There are some things that are not common in Malawi, things like such weird, strange murders. This is not Malawian-like, and it is strange that it's happening now. It's very sad that things like this are happening. I mean, why is this happening? I hope the law enforcement will be able to apprehend whoever is responsible for this. Nobody knows why this has happened. It's very sad, and our heart goes out to the family of Mr. Witika. But at the same time, there's something else that happened this month as well, on the 15th. A university boy who was in his 4th year, just about to finish his university, was murdered by a group of people because they wanted to steal his laptop. I mean, why kill the guy? It's not right to steal, but if you take his laptop, why take his life also? Then something is wrong. It's very uncommon in Malawi. I know there's a lot of evil things that happen across the world, murders and things like that, but it's not a common occurrence in Malawi, and it's sad to see these things happening. So hopefully law enforcement will have a way to stop these things from happening, because we can't have people being murdered left, right and center. Think about the families of these people. So let's see how this all ends, and hopefully there will be justice in the end.